Hi guys, previously we have built the home screen and the profile screen. Now we will move on to card screen. Before moving on to that, I have added card data here. You can check in the description. Link will be there. Fine. Now move on to card screen. We'll import some necessary components required for building the screen. We'll import material icons also. And we'll import delivery address card also. We can import it later on. Yeah. Now we'll import the navigation props. We import use effect. I guess it's enough. Now we'll copy the header from the home screen. I'll paste it over here. Yeah, now it's working good. Let's build the component. We'll import delivery address card. We'll run it. It's looking here. We'll create a view. This displays the subtotal of everything which is present in the cart, and another text for price. We'll save it and we'll run it. Yes. Now we'll style this a little bit. We give this a name container, and this view will give a name subcontainer. We go to style sheet and style it. We'll give it a flex of 1. We add a padding of 10 units. Now you can see the space over here. We'll align it in a row, flex direction row, align item center. It will align them vertically in the center. Yes. Now we'll style this text. Styles dot. We'll give this a name title text, and the below one is price text. Styles dot price text. We'll save this. Now we'll move on to style sheet. Title text. We'll increase the font size to 22 units. And we'll give it a font weight of 600. Yeah, now it's looking good. Now we'll style the price text. We'll give it a font size of 24 and a font weight of bold. Both are looking close. There is no space between them, so we add a margin left of 10 units. I guess this would work fine. Yeah, perfect. Let's build the next component. View. Styles dot. We'll give the name of delivery container, delivery cont. Inside we'll create two views and one text component. The order is eligible for free delivery. We'll place a verified icon here. Name verified. Color, we'll give this teal color. Yeah, and size of 22. Yes. For text also we'll give the same color, teal. Yes, now it's looking fine. Now I'll style the delivery container. Flex direction row. Yep, it's working good. We'll style this in style sheet itself. Some delivery text. Delivery text. Color teal. We'll give a margin left of 5 units. Yep, it's looking good. We'll give it a padding of 10 units. Yeah, now this is looking good. Let's build the next thing. We'll create a buy button here. View style equal to style start buy button. We create a pressable component. What this pressable component does is it enables us to press the element in the screen, press the element view, whatever text, anything. Proceed to buy and the amount of items, whatever it is. As of now, we'll place it as 2 items. We need to style this a little bit, I guess. Yeah, we'll move this a little bit down. Yep, now it's working fine. Let's style this a little bit. Style will give this a name of styles dot button container, and this one is button text. By button, I'll give it a border bottom width of border bottom width of 1 unit, and we'll use a color of gray. Yeah. Now we style the button. Give this a background color gold. Yeah. Now this is looking somewhat similar to the original Amazon app, and we'll give it a margin left of 5%. Sorry guys, this is not background color, this is border color gray. Yeah, now it's looking fine, and we'll give this a margin right of same 5 pixel, 5%, and a padding top of 10 units and a padding bottom of 10 units. Yep, this is looking good. Now we'll align this text in center. Text align center. We make the justify content center and align item center. Now this will align the text in center. Yes, it align. The line and the button are looking too close. We'll add a space little bit, margin bottom of 10 units. Yeah, now it's looking good, and we'll give it a little bit border radius of 5 units. Yeah, now it's looking good. Let's build the card components. Scroll view, go to here, go to components, create cart item. Just save this, go to cart screen. Now we'll import cart item. Yeah, now it got reflected. Now we'll build the cart item. We'll close this editor. We'll remove this and we'll make some necessary imports required for building this component. Pressables and image. We'll import material icons also. Material. We'll create a div, and inside it we'll create another div. Head over to data, dummy data, card data, and we'll copy paste it over there. We'll save this. You have to give a list stylings. Let the height be 80 units and the width be 80 units as of now. With 80. We'll increase it a little bit. Fine. We'll create one more view here and a text component. It displays the name of the item. Go to card data, copy the title, and paste it back over here. Hit the save, and now it will display. We'll create one more text component. Hit Control Enter. Text. This is for price. We'll give this 699 rupees. Hit save. Yep, it's showing. We'll create one more text component to show it's eligible for free delivery. Hit save, run. Yeah. Now we'll style this a little bit. We'll name this as container, and the next one as top container, and the next one as image container, I guess. Styles dot image container. And this is the content container. Item title text. This one is price text. We head on to style sheet and we'll style this container. And give it a bottom of the color white. Border bottom width. Ten units. And background color. Yep. And we gave it a bottom color, border bottom color white, because when we are having multiple items, it should be able to show the difference. We'll hit enter. Yeah, now we can see the white border over here. It's to differentiate the components. Fine. Now we'll move on to top component. We'll give it a flex of 1 and a flex direction row. Hit enter, save. Yeah, and the padding of 10 units. Now it's looking good. Image container of flex 1. Yeah. Now this looks messy. We'll style the content container of flex 2. Now this should look good. Yeah, and we'll add a margin of some space of 10 units, I guess. Yeah, this all looks good. We'll add a little bit more padding of 5 units. Now it's looking perfect. Fine. Now we'll style the text, item title text. We'll give it a flex of 1 and font weight of 600. Yeah, now it's highlighted a little bit. Now we style the price text, flex of 1. We'll increase the font size to 24. Now it's looking good. We'll make it bold, font weight bold. Say, and a little bit margin on top and bottom. Margin top 5 units, margin bottom 10 units, I guess, or 5 would do good. Yes. Now we start building the next container where we can add the number of items and we can delete if we don't want the item. View, give this a name of I guess bottom container. Yes, the above one is top container. Now we will give this name of bottom container. Now we will build a view from where we can add or view the item count. Item count container. We'll bring material icons. Delete outline. Style equal to styles. My bad. Styles dot del icon del. We'll save. Can't find variable item count. Yes. Styles dot item count. Now it will fix that. Yep, it fixed. Now we can view the delete icon here. Look at my cursor. We'll make it bigger. We'll give this a size 22 units. Yep, now this is looking good. We'll add a text component which shows the number of items. Count text. We can view the number of items here. Now we'll add one more icon for increasing the count. Material icons. Name add. We'll use the name of sales dot icon add. We give this size of 22 units. Fine, now we'll style the item count container. Item count container. Before that, we will create one more view for deleting and save for later, that kind of stuff. Sales dot action container. Hit save. Now we'll start building, styling the item count container. Flex 1, flex direction row. Now the icons are in horizontally aligned. Align this vertically in a center. Yeah. Classify content center. It's a yeah. Okay. Now bottom container will flex 1, flex direction row. A padding of 10 units. It's a action container. We'll give this also flex of 1. So the item count container and the action container will share the equal amount of space. The bottom container occupies the whole space. Item count container will occupy the half space, which is left side, and the action container will take the right side of space. Yeah. Now the justify content center will work perfect. Now we style this icon a little bit. Icon del. Give it a border width of 1. Yeah, I missed the comma here. Border width of 1. We border color we make it a little bit lighter. Now it's light. Give it a background color. Give it a padding left of 5 units. Padding right of 5 units. It's a give some border radius. Border top left radius of 5 units. And border bottom left radius of 5 units. Hit save. Now you can see the small curve over here. Border top left and the border bottom left. Fine. Now we will style the add icon. Here everything applies the same except the border top left radius and border bottom left radius. Here it will be border top right radius of 5 units and border bottom right radius of 5 units. Yeah, now this is looking good. We add a padding a little bit, padding top of 4 units and a padding bottom of 4 units. Yeah, now it's looking good. We'll copy and paste it here. Yes. We'll style this count text little bit. Count text. Increase the font size to 20 units. Yeah, now it's more readable. And I will give it a border width of 1 and the same border color. Copy it and paste it over here. Hit save. Give a little bit padding in left and right side. Padding left 15 and padding right 15 units. Now this looks good. Just a minute. Yeah. Give a padding bottom of 3 units. Hit save. Now it's looking good, I guess. Now we'll change this height and width to 100%. Yeah, now this is looking good. I will start building the action container. Basically, we just need only 3 texts. They are view, save for later, delete, save for later, and see more like this. I'll do it fastly. Delete, copy paste it twice, see more like this, then save for later. Now we can see the 3 texts over here. We'll give each name. Sales dot, a general name of button container for 3 views. This should be pressable. Fine. Okay, now we'll send the button container. Before that, we style the action container, padding of 5 units. For action container, it should occupy more space. What it does is, basically the parent container occupies the full space and the count container occupies the 1/3 of its space and the action container occupies the 2/3 of its space. Give this a flex direction row. Flex wrap of wrap. So basically what this flex wrap does is, if the contents grows over, it will automatically come to the bottom. It wraps around the container. Delete and save for later. See more like this will come below. You'll understand while I styling the button container. Yeah. Button container. Give it a border width of 1 and border color of align those in center. Yep. Justify contents center. Yeah, it's the typo which caused the error. Fine. Reload. Yeah, now it's working. Background of white. Yes, we had a padding and on all sides. So left 10, padding right 10 units, padding top 5 units, and padding bottom also 5 units. Hit save. Yeah, this is what I said. Flex wrap will wrap the container. I will wrap the items of the container. Now I'll remove flex wrap. Now see, when I uncomment it and run, it will wrap. If the content overgrows the parent container, all the items will automatically be moved on to the next, like what to say, below. Yeah, we'll add a margin right of 10 units, so each will have some space, and a margin bottom of 10 units. Okay, now we'll add a little bit border radius also, border radius of 5. Yeah, now this is looking good. This two looks very close, and it's because it should be padding. Yeah, now it's looking good. Still we add a little bit more space, padding left of 10 units. Yeah, now it's looking good. Now we'll make the content dynamic. We'll import image, title and price. That's enough, I guess. Move on to card screen. We'll import the card data. We'll map over each item in data. Yeah. Now we'll pass the props in the dot. I haven't created a key this time, so we'll just give a title as the key. Title equal to dot title, and the image equal to dot image, and what's left, I guess, price equal to price dot dot price. Hit save. Now I'll go to here, replace the URI with img. It's this props. We are replacing the URI with this, and we'll replace this with title prop, and we'll replace this with price. I guess now it will work fine. Yeah, now it's working. You can see here one headphone of price 699, and an Apple iPhone of somewhere around 1,30,000, and a gaming keyboard of 3,000 rupees nearly. This is it. In the next video, we'll build the menu screen and if possible I will connect it to Firebase and we'll make this a fully functional app. If you want me to do so, let me know in the comments. We'll make this functional. Thanks for watching. Bye.